Now when the leaf parts from the ashen branches, whizzing in the treetop, and birds fall silent from their warbling because of cold that grips them. But in spite of this all, I'm unshaken in my bearing myself as a lover. For I am rejuvenated and prosper when all other happiness is wasted, and if all my merriment is saddened to the point of not boasting openly, it hasn't kept my pleas from gaining me that her from whom I hold orange just kept me kissing with her. Therefore it is my will that you all drop the subject, since in spite of them I have more than the title of lover. For not even snow nor wind nor rain, if her great mercy grants my dear wish, nor slander can take from me the love that God put there with great power when he chose me so. May, if I ever act deceitfully towards you, or act deviously or fall, then may I be cast into irons. If ever my heart fails so much, may you turn your shield against my wrongs, and may God confound the tongue that says things through which we'd both be ruined, which we'd both be ruined. For I don't wish love to shed us, for he never wounded us with the leading dart. For never did two things, whoever may pretend, love each other as we do, and will still do, and will still do, when hoary. Our Lady, just because I pretend not to see you there where we'd be together, don't believe it doesn't much torment me. But through the voicing of a single syllable is presently recognized all that pertains to love, because of which I know I have lost much of the good I could have had. And let no troubadour